So here we are at the Broad River Greenway in Bowling Springs, North Carolina. It costs $5 for a day pass, and there are several trails here at the Greenway. I think there's one that's, I don't know, it's about a 1.1 mile, 1.2 mile trail called the Cottonwood Trail. I mean, we don't know. We've never been here. That's just something I remember. Yeah, but I'm Ronnie.
I'm Alma.
And life is good today. Absolutely, baby. Life is good every day with you. So, you know, it's just a little spot here on the Broad River. We've got families grilling out. Well, look at that. See? Cottonwood Trail, 1.2 miles. My brain still works sometime, baby. But why snakes are important to the environment? Well, I'm hoping we don't see any snakes today, baby. I would rather not. I am not a snake fan. No way. I mean, I've never been here, but you know, I'm kind of thinking this might be the Redneck Riviera. I don't know, just saying. But it's definitely shady down here.
And since we didn't walk this morning, shady walk's better than a sunny walk.
You got that right. So.
Somewhere else, and they moved this house to the Greenway when they built the Greenway. You'll have to research that, but this house was somewhere else in Bowling Springs, or maybe even in the mountains, and they moved it here when they built the Greenway. We'll look it up.
We'll look it up. I'll try to find some information. I think this is what they call the Pfeiffer cabin. Not 100%. I think they do little, more than think maybe they have like a little Christmas things going on and Easter things going on down here in the park on occasion. There is another trail called the Riverwalk Trail, and that trail is, I'm thinking maybe 2.2 miles. I might get her talked into it, I don't know.
I went up 10 miles up a mountain, or 5 miles up a mountain.
So what you're saying is,
I said, I can do it.
You can do it. So, all right. It is a little warm, definitely. What'd you say it was, 80 degrees?
Oh, yeah, that was a couple hours ago.
No, that was a couple hours ago. I don't know if you get any service down here or not. Whew.
12 o'clock, 86.
12 o'clock on a Sunday in North Carolina, and it's 86 degrees.
Probably not that in the shade.
Yeah, probably not in the shade.
But it is muggy.
It is muggy, but hey. Sweat out all those toxins, I reckon.
The ones we drank last night.
What? Oh, I heard something, baby, in the weeds there.
Well, it stays in the weeds.
There you go. As long as it stays in the weeds, I'm alright. Because you never know what you might see. You might see a sneaky snake, or a squirrel, or a possum, or someone on a bicycle. Times.
Teresa, you're right too. He's got me out front to hit any critters before he gets to them.
Now, Miss Teresa, if you're watching this and you see that comment, you know that's not true. I already told you the reason why I like to be in. Some of them turtles there hanging out, sunbathing on the rocks, just warming up. Well, of course, we're not big nature people, baby. We're more cruise people. So, you know, when you can't go on a cruise, you have to find alternative
forms of entertainment.
That's right. So we got ourselves out here. Last week we went to the Chimney Rock State Park, and we decided, hey, we got a little park down here in our own neck of the woods. It's just a few miles from the house. Let's go check it out. So here we are today, checking it out. We're getting our steps in. Project Speedo is in effect. And if you don't know what Project Speedo is, you know, that's just a friendly, you know, weight loss program for us guys and gals to get Speedo ready. We just encourage each other to get out there and get your steps in and have a great time and enjoy your life. And don't be sitting at the house, on the couch, on your butts during this quarantine pandemic while everything is pretty much closed. Definitely be a nice little cool area to hang out. Okay, sound of the river. It's nice. It's not as nice as the sound of the ocean. Waves crashing on the beach, but still pretty nice. There's more turtles out there on the rocks. Now, of course, that don't surprise me a bit. There's a lot of turtles in there. I mean, there's been many times we fishing down at the river and old turtle steal my worm. Yeah, bicycle riding be a little rough. Maybe they didn't come down this far. All these little roots.
Oh, they couldn't. Well, I guess the people didn't cross it.
Yeah, I see bicycle tracks, so I guess they did come down here. All this sand up here on this trail probably come out of the river when it floods. They need to get somebody to come down here and clean up after all these people. Well, luckily we ain't seen no sneaky snakes so far. I would figure we're getting pretty close to the end. We definitely have some benches here.
Whoa! Yeah. No, I'm not gonna eat one.
Something smells very full smelling.
What, baby?
Something very full smelling. Let's not go down as far. Getting more overgrown, more overgrown.
Yeah. Probably only fishermen come down this far. Trying to find that fishing spot. What if it never ends, baby? What if this trail never ends?
I'm hoping I ain't brought home no poison.
Or no ticks?
I'll check it for ticks.
You gonna check me for ticks? Yeah, I thought the same thing about the poison that going through these bushes and stuff. It's like, what?
Leaves are free. Let them be.
Well, we've been walking for about 30 minutes, I believe. We normally walk about a mile in 30 minutes. So. Then of course, people make a mess too. They want to enjoy the outdoors, but yet they leave their trash everywhere. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense to me. As you can see, supposed to be no alcohol in the park, but we can see that. Hypnotic. But I'm not a smoker, but I did find me 2 cigarette lighters. So if
you picked up them Rona lighters.
Don't talk about Rona in the jungle. Rona. We don't have Rona in the jungle. No Rona in the jungle, baby. So let's make that 3 lighters. I guess they figured after they smoked they was probably smoking dope. You know how them young kids are. Look. See? Zigzag wraps. Yeah, they down here smoking dope, eating Taco Bell, drinking Hypnotic, and smoking dope. All right. Well, we're going to turn it around and go back the other way. We'll see you on the other side. All right? All right, baby, what'd you think about this hike?
We done it in too hot of the day.
Too hot of the day, absolutely.
90 degrees.
Nah, it's pretty warm out here.
Even shade, I mean it's.
So that was the Cottonwood Trail. So what about the Riverwalk Trail? 2.2.
Yeah,
not today.
Not today.
All right, guys. I mean, it looks like we'll have to come back another day and experience the Riverwalk Trail. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, comment, like, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and until next time, we'll be seeing ya.